it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit latoyadillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to Cannon Manor, a new home community in Kannapolis, North Carolina by Century Communities. This community is located just 10 miles from downtown Kannapolis and 12 miles from downtown Concord. Century Communities is building only 69 homes here, with floor plans ranging from 1,800 to 2,700 square feet, including 5 unique layouts and 1 rent-style option. Each home features fiber cement siding, fully sodded Bermuda grass lawns, and professionally designed interior packages with elevated touches like soft closed cabinet doors. In today's video, we're touring the Maple, a spacious 2-story model offering 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,500 square feet of living space. Step inside to an inviting open concept layout featuring a spacious great room, a stunning kitchen with a large island, walk-in pantry, and a dedicated dining area perfect for gatherings. The main level also includes a flex room, powder room, and a valet drop zone off the garage. Upstairs, enjoy 2 secondary bedrooms with a shared full bath, a loft space, convenient laundry room, and an elegant owner suite with dual vanities, a bench shower, and a large walk-in closet. If you're looking for a new construction community in a growing area with thoughtful designs and quality finishes, Cannon Manor might be the perfect place to call home. So, if you're interested in touring this community or any other community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. Hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.